Welcome to Alan's Yummy Food Stories. So today guys we are making a watermelon mint lemonade which is rich in antioxidants, fiber and vitamins. So this is a really good all-time drink, especially in the summer. It's literally special. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. So first things first, we need the ingredients: half a watermelon, we need some chia seeds, we need some sugar powder, we need some mint leaves, and also we need 4 lemons. So now let's head to step 1. Step 1, chop these watermelons into watermelon cubes, and then next chop 2 lemons and squeeze them into a lemon juice. The remaining 2 lemons should be cut into lemon pieces for garnishing. Next, you need to put the cubes of watermelon into the mixer and add the special lemon juice for the lemonade, and also add half a cup of sugar powder, and then also add some mint leaves. And after that, let's blend it but without water. Then let's blend it a second time by adding 1 cup of water and then blend it. Then filter the juice, and then after that let's pluck some mint leaves and place it into the jug where we serve the juice. Add some lemons also. Add those lemons and also add some chia seeds, the soft chia seeds. And then you can add some sugar powder and some pieces of ice cubes, and then you can finally add the juice. After that, you must stir it really well like this. So after you stir the juice, now the juice has become completely mixed, you can finally add the garnishings. Pour to all these glasses here, and then first you must add some chia seeds. First you must add some lime and some mint, and also do not forget to add the chia seeds. They're also a really good important ingredient here. So after adding chia seeds, you can add the lemon pieces, and also add the mint. So now this is a really rich in antioxidants, you got fiber and also more vitamins. So now I'm going to taste test and see how it tastes like. Wow, what a refreshing effect. With the addition of the chia seeds, mint and lime gives a cooling effect when you drink it. This is especially good if you want to drink this in very hot summer days or if you're at the beach. So if you want to try this recipe out, then go to your kitchen, make this recipe and share your opinion in the comment section below. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, I hope you guys like, subscribe and smash that bell notifications for more amazing videos. And also if you have any other suggestions, then also leave that on the comment section below. Also don't forget to share this to your families and friends. So with that out of the way, bye.